I don't think that people really want more control of their data, as it's something they would want if things were easier, but actually they're not. So decentralization to me means that we don't have to depend on central parties. Because today, for many things that we do, we have to pass through, let's say, Google or Facebook. For instance, if we want to read a certain article on the website, we have to log in with Facebook. This is centralization, meaning that we need to pass by those stations in order to get the services we need. Decentralization means eliminating all of those central players such that for anything I want to do, there's no bottlenecks, there's no parties that I have to have an agreement with. I think the main problem is that as consumers, we have a suboptimal experience because companies, they don't focus on giving us the best experience, they focus on getting the most data from us. So we should just demand more as consumers, but at the moment, there's not a lot we can do except for support smaller initiatives. I think right now it's first up to lawmakers, to people working in technology and business to take the next steps such that users get a better experience. Because a better experience, I think, is what will help drive all of this, not ideology. Because people might want to switch, but if the other thing is better, they will still stay. Solid is essentially the next step for the web. Just like the World Wide Web is built on open standards, Solid will also be built on open standards. Simple example, any website in the world, you can read it with a mobile phone, a laptop, a tablet, and so on. While Solid will enable the same for data. So there's standards such that data can flow more easily from one application to another, but the user stays in control. So if you want to see your data with another application, you'll be able to do it. I think that it would be a sign of weakness if we really had to mandate breaking up of technology companies. Of course, they should get broken up eventually, but I don't think a deliberate action should cause that. Instead, we should look at the problems that they have, and they have massive innovation problems. So instead of just trying to break them from a legal perspective, let's look at doing better innovation, because they have caused a standstill today, and I believe that just by natural effects we can achieve this. However, legislation plays some important roles in that, in the sense that laws such as GDPR will help take people control of their data. And if people have control, it becomes easier to have a healthy competition.